Hiya Happy Fam, it's Amy and Jackie here.
Hello.
Today we want to show you how easy it is to use the Instant Pot. We'll walk you through step by step what buttons to press, what to expect, and when to do what. We really want to give you the confidence to start cooking with your Instant Pot. And the best way to do that? Let's cook some yummy pulled pork together. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. Always remember to start with putting your inner pot inside the cooker base. So this time you want to keep things super simple. So we're just using some really basic ingredients and steps. You can see there's some pork shoulder, onion, garlic, and some spices. And this is all you need to make this pulled pork recipe. It's really simple and really easy. You just have to dump everything inside your Instant Pot. So yeah, this pulled pork won't earn you a Michelin star. But considering how easy it is, it's actually quite yummy. Now we're gonna close the lid and seal the pot. So first, just check the lid. And this is very important. Every time you close the lid, make sure you turn this knob from venting to sealing. So remember, every time, close the lid, seal the pot. This is very important. We're gonna pressure cook this pork for 40 minutes at high pressure. So press pressure cook. You can see it's at high pressure. Then adjust to 40 minutes. So very important tip is the pressure cooking time is mostly based on how thick the food is, rather than how heavy it weighs. Now the Instant Pot will start to heat up inside. You know when it says on. This is what we call the Instant Pot is getting up to pressure. During this stage, it'll continue to heat up inside. And once there's enough steam, the steam will push the metal pin up. When it reaches high pressure, the screen will turn to 40. This is when the pressure cooking begins. What do we do now? We can go prepare another dish, dance a little, or maybe have a cup of tea while our Instant Pot is making our dinner. Pretty awesome, isn't it? After 40 minutes, the Instant Pot will switch to keep warm. Be careful not to touch these parts of the lid. It's actually quite hot. For this recipe, we're doing a 10 minutes natural release. What that means is we don't have to do anything and just wait for another 10 minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What happens next is we're going to release the remaining pressure in the Instant Pot. So there's going to be some hot steam coming out from here. Please be very careful when you do that. Never put your hand or face above the venting knob. Just have your hand on the side and turn the knob to venting. So here we go. I know it might be a bit scary at first, but it'll get easier. If it helps, you can use the mitt, or you can even use the wooden spoon to help you turn the knob instead of using the bare hand. Once the pin drops, you're ready to open the lid. So let's take out the pork and put it in the mixing bowl. So we're going to use 2 forks to shred the pork. Look at how tender this is. Time to make a gravy for the pulled pork. We'll need to heat up the sauce inside. First press cancel, then saute. And once the sauce starts to simmer, slowly mix in this cornstarch water mixture to thicken the gravy. As always, taste the gravy and decide how much salt you'll need to add. So now put the pork back in the Instant Pot. Give it a quick mix. we're ready to serve the pulled pork. We've made some delicious pulled pork in our Instant Pot. Well, what do you think? Pretty easy, right? Really hope that we've eased some of your fears and this will encourage you to start cooking with your Instant Pot. If you haven't done the water test, we encourage you to follow along with our water test demo video. Thanks so much for being here with us. If you've enjoyed this demo, smash the like button and subscribe. We'll greatly appreciate it because it'll really help our tiny channel. See you in our next video. Take care, Happy Fam. Bye bye.